Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and drop your comments. So this is another video I'll be showing you on how to make payment into your Google Ads account in Nigeria. Yeah, you get what I'm saying now. If you can see the screen right here, you're going to see your ads are running. Make a payment towards your overdue balance. And if I scroll down here, you're going to see something like balance as of 6 June 2022, $57. So this person needs to make a payment due to their debt overdue balance. So I'm just going to click on fix it here. Okay, once I click on fix it, so we want to try and make that payment here in Nigeria. So once we do that, then these are the cards added to this account. Okay, so I'm going to try the first card. Okay, and I'm going to click on make payment. Do you understand? So once I click on make payment, let's see if it's going to go. Okay, they said payment was successful. Now let me go to these tools and settings, this place, and let me go to settings. So once I get to settings, I'm going to click on payment method. So once I click on payment method, then I'm just going to go to summary. I could just go to summary because I want to add payment. So what I'm actually going to do is I'll click on make a payment. I'll click on make a payment, and I'm going to choose this card. Okay, so let me just input an amount. Let me just put $20 for now, and let me click on make payment. Let me click on confirm. Thank you for your payment of $20. Do you understand? So once I do that, I have just made the payment of $20 out of the $57 this account owes. Are you get what I'm saying now? So let me click on make payment again. Let me see if we can make another payment. Let me choose the second payment method, and let me input $20. Let me click on make payment. Let me click on confirm. So I just made a payment of $40 in total. Can you see right now? I made a payment of $40 in total. Let's go back to the home page. So let's go down. You can see something like balance of 6 June. This is $17. So you can see there's no error here or something like fixed card or whatever that we have there. Do you understand now? So the woman's ad is running as of now. So if I go back to payment method right now, if I go here, I click on settings, and I click on payment methods. So if I click on fix, then I click on update, you can see something like transaction or decline. If I click on update, then you're actually going to see it. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Can you see the error just left this place? Okay, you can see it again. The error just left. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, drop your comments and message us on WhatsApp. Thank you.